Changing your eye color is something that's important to a lot of cosplayers because many characters have unnatural eye colors like pink or red. But contacts aren't always accessible to some people, whether that be because of financial issues, lack of the color in your prescription, or having health reasons that prevent you from wearing them. Some cosplayers find it distasteful or lazy, but there are other reasons for doing it, and it does take effort to get it to look natural. I'm going to show you how to edit your eye color using the free online photo editor, Pixlr. Just a little disclaimer before we start. Photoshopping your eye color by using this method will not show up well in low light or on darker eye colors. This trick only works well if your eyes are open wide enough to get light on them and on lighter colors. It can work on light browns, but you might have to do some more tweaking to get the color just right. Although I did get it to work on a darker purple, but I haven't really tested it on a dark brown yet, so I can't really vouch for, how well that will work out for you. I'll show you how to do it on a computer, because if you use the mobile app, it forces you to adjust the layering yourself. You can do it on your phone, but it's much harder to get it accurate. If you guys want, I can make a separate video explaining how to do it on a phone, but for now, let's just start with how to do it on a computer. It'll prompt you with two different versions of Pixlr to use. We want the Playful Pixlr X. Click Open Image on the far left of your screen, and select the image you want to edit. I'm going to use a Futaba selfie for my example since you can clearly see my eyes. Go to the right of your screen where the layers are displayed and right-click on the bottom picture. A menu bar will pop up. Click Duplicate Layer. You should see another layer pop up on your layers bar. After selecting the bottom layer, hide the top layer. This makes it easier to see what you're doing to the bottom layer. Click on the bottom layer in the layers bar. This makes it so you're editing that layer, not the top one. Go to the toolbar on the left side of your screen and click on Adjust. Adjust the hue by using the slider and try to get the color you want for the eyes. Only focus on the color of the eyes. It does not matter what the color of the rest of the image is. I'm already wearing the correct color contacts for this cosplay, but I'll make my eyes green for an example. After finding the right color, save the changes you've made. Go back to that other layer we made and make it visible. It will look like it erased all your work, but it didn't, don't worry. That colored layer is still there, it's just hidden by the top layer. Now we're going to make it so that just the eye color peeks through. Go back to the menu bar on the left side of your screen and click on the paintbrush tool. Select the eraser tool at the top of the menu. Very carefully begin to erase around the eye area. It takes a steady hand to do this, so go slowly. If it's too difficult to drag the mouse around, it might be easier to just click it multiple times. That way you don't have to undo as much if you mess up. It may also be useful to use a drawing tablet pen to do this if you have one of those. When you're done erasing and happy with your work, click Save Image and change the name to something you'll remember, and download the image. And you're done! Easy as that. No fancy programs needed. Let me know if you guys like this, and if you want another tutorial where I show you how to do it on a phone. Bye guys!